going on, everyone? Welcome back to Mashimaro. So we've got today our E90 here, and I've got everything just about stripped out on the inside. All the seats are out, rear, front seats. You can see all the trash that's left from the previous owner, but everything's gone. So I've got everything laid out here. I'm gonna do a full color conversion from these black, and I'm gonna go for the fox red. Nothing particularly wrong with the seats, no tears, nothing like that. I'm just doing a full color conversion. I've been a fan of the fox red, so I'm just going for that, just for the fact that I like it. So this is what it looks like before. I'm not gonna do a DIY in this video, so I'm not gonna go over exactly everything, but I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in the end before I put them in. So this is kind of what they look like, as you can see. Pretty standard. They're clean. I still have to clean them up. But like I said, no tears or anything like that, so here we go. Alright, so just finished the last coat of this cushion, so I still have to do obviously this and that. I just started the first layer on this one. But this is the one I just finished the last coat on. You can see it's still a little wet, but you can see the finish. OEM Fox Red. 100% matches, comes out perfect. Just has to wait for it to dry, but you can see the texture. It's actually pretty spot on, like smooth as can be, not shiny. It's matte, factory color. And just to show you my setup, this is what I got. Just a super cheap Harbor Freight. What is that? McGraw 8-gallon oil-free portable air compressor. I got this for 20 bucks maybe when I was on sale. Harbor Freight gun. This is the one I got. Just a cheap $20 spray gun. And I already put some in here, so let me show you exactly what I do, what it looks like. So I just go through and do a couple sprays. Just like so, and you can see pretty light sprays. Just do several coats lightly, and then it comes out perfect. So I'll be doing it for this one. All right, so it's about 4 o'clock. I've been at it for about 7 hours maybe, but I got everything done. I just put everything back in. Kind of show you what it looks like. So give you all the details. You can see the texture, the finish, the color. A lot of people complained before because it was I put the top coat on, which kind of made it glossy. So this time I made it matte. I left it the way it was, kind of original, you can see. Kept the contrast, so I left the door cards black. But here you just kind of see all the bits. Here's the back seats. And so you can see all the details in the back seat. The color, again the texture, it's smooth, it's matte. It really cleared up everything. There wasn't any tears, but it was kind of worn, so it was time. Every last bit of detail. So I just made sure it was all done. I got to clean it up a little bit, but I did vacuum when I had the chance, so it's all done. The car's finally, interior-wise, just clean now. So I'll probably do some of the modding things, but this is kind of what I'm going for. So I am off to deliver, you can probably see it behind me, this lip to a customer, and obviously wants to just put the M3 in use, so we're gonna throw it in the back. The rear seats don't fold down, so gotta live with that one. I'm gonna grab some lunch and then we're gonna head to the shop. I'm gonna do a quick PPI in the M3. Since I got it, it's been doing pretty good, but you know, there's always those things that you don't really know, or you can't really see unless you put it up on a lift and kind of start looking around for problems. So we're gonna go and check and see if there's anything that we can kind of pick out. I'm thinking doing like oil analysis, checking maintenance like brakes and all, and then more importantly getting into, you know, if there's any small random things that are unforeseen. So we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go to STS Customs. We're gonna go to STS Customs here in a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up some lunch, meet the customer, and then we'll go from there. I gotta say, even without a tune, this thing is just a blast to drive. Completely stock NA with an exhaust, it's just awesome. Alright, so I just picked up some Five Guys. This is hilarious, look at this. This is a perfect spot for a greasy ass burger. Little bag just fit in that little cubby there. That's hilarious, dude. Alright. Got a bunch of these zip ties all over here. It's kind of interesting. Scraped up the whole front end, so I'm gonna replace the whole front thing here. Looks like everything's looking pretty good. We got a couple small leaks, as you can see here. Nothing major. A little bit from what I saw, like on the seams of the valve cover, so that's not too bad. We can fix all that. Brake pads are good. Wondering if the brake pad sensors are just kind of malfunctioning, because it says it needs new brake pads, but it's not true, obviously. Suspension is stock, but it looks like it's got springs. If you look over here, those springs are actually like yellow. So these are stock struts. So it might have like H&R or KW springs or something like that. Maybe some Coney or something. But definitely aftermarket springs. So EDC's turned off, which also another thing I need to look into why. But other than that, pretty solid. We've got the Eisenman Race genuine stamping here. You can see that E90X Eisenman. Here's the serial number, 3 of 10, super rare. E90 M3, made in Germany. Boom. Ooh, she's looking pretty. Glad you like it. Yeah. It looks really good. Air ducts and everything. There you go. Yeah, it just changed the whole front end.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, we're back home. I mean, that pretty much settles that for the E90 when it comes to just the basics. It looks like we found some good things. Everything looks pretty good, so I'm gonna just head straight into getting the next things done. I think what I'm gonna do is, being what I saw with the bumper, I'm gonna just replace the bumper entirely. So we'll just get a new bumper. We'll do the lights, the wheels, mirror caps, just basic stuff, side skirts and all that. So we'll do the basics, the essentials. Probably we'll get the steering wheel done, obviously. But I don't want to do anything much more than that. I think that's kind of where I'm going to leave it. This will stay and remain probably like that for a while, and then keeping this as is, and then I'll work on the next project. So this will just be a daily. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna have all of that come in, so you guys will see all of that with the wheels, the exhaust, the bumper, the lights, etc. I'll keep you guys in tune, and then more importantly, just kind of give you guys the update. I'll make sure it's here on YouTube first, so you guys will see. I want you guys to be exclusive to that, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that like button, comment below, subscribe so that you can see more for the series, and I'll bring the other car into this soon. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe. Looking forward to it. See you later.